So you can buy these, do something like this. It's just 4 legs, a couple of tubes, something on the back to catch the edge of the drum. And then I just found a pipe that was fit inside the other pipe, a little bit smaller, so you can lever the thing up. And this is a 35-gallon drum, but you could, it's sized so you could do 50-gallon drums too. I have to do some finish welding on this. All right, now for the smoke show. Maybe I'll roll ball some paint on this, but thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment, and I'll be sure to answer you.